Today we are making the spicy chicken curry from page 63 in Mission Raw. There's one other YouTube recipe from this book, which is the zucchini crust pizza, and I thought it would be nice to have two. Now today I'm just going to do a half portion, but when you see the recipe description on the side, then that's the full recipe. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, right? Looks amazing. But I like to add something, so I'm going to go to Secret Ingredients, which is the first chapter on all the books, and I'm going to go to Taste Like Chicken, and aha! Check it out. Rosemary. So let's add a little bit of rosemary. We can always do that to recipes. We can always change them a little bit. It's always nice. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe. I'll show you the taste in a second. If you want to know more about the diet, I do Q&A videos, and if there's any topic you want me to cover, please just let me know. The book is available in print. It's also now available in Kobo, Nook, iBooks, and Kindle. Yes, we are saving the planet and a couple of bucks on the way. Second book, 100 Smoothies, coming up soon. It's already available in print. I'll do a special launch video for it and a special smoothie challenge. So stay tuned. Love you all and see you soon. Bye.